Hello.
Ng anong stamp po ng alin?
Stop lang po.
You mean sa passport po ba? Or saan
Sa
po?
passport. Sa passport holder.
Okay, if you have a passport holder, ma'am, yung Manila kasi namin na exclusive, it was actually taken from the ano, kasi po, nire-redesign siya at the moment. Pero, ang available namin ngayon is mga zodiac sign. Pero pag na-stamp na po namin kayo ng zodiac sign, once na available na yung Manila stamp, hindi na namin kayo isa-stamp.
Is that okay? Even like it's just a zodiac sign stamp?
Yeah, because the Manila stamp that's exclusive for Manila is being redesigned. So it's
Okay.
not here yet, it's still in Paris.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so it's not available. But if it's not the first time that you're coming to the Philippines, I think you should try again the next time that you visit. Because if it's available, then that's the time you can stamp your passport.
But there's
Okay.
Other option.
Yeah, we do have the zodiac signs if you
Zodiac sign.
want for now. But just know that next time you visit, we won't be able to stamp you with the Manila if we already stamped you with the
A
zodiac
zodiac?
sign. Yeah.
Okay. How soon would it be here? You said it's in Paris.
We're really not sure, sir, for that one. We don't have a specific date on the delivery of the new stamp.
Okay. That's fine. We'll come back.
Alright.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you guys.
So they redesigned for the exclusive only. It's not yet arrived.
Oh, so it's a newer one.
Yeah, it's a new logo for exclusively Philippines logo.
I wanted to ask her, like, if I get a zodiac sign,
You
how
cannot.
how would they know that I got it from the Philippines? Because they probably gonna register me on a stamp.
That's why, like I said, if you want the zodiac sign, they will not stamp you the
Again.
one that is coming.
Yeah.
It's just one stamp.
So probably when I come back Christmas, they'll have it. That's cool.